for me now. Where my guys them there, where my girl and boy them there. Full up the live here for me now, please and thanks. Full up the live here for me now, please and thanks. Thank you. Full up the live here for me now. Full up the live here for me. Let me draw the curtain. Yeah, thank you. Full up the live here for me. At the curtain, we go draw, because the sun. Full up the live here for me now, please and thanks. Full up the live here for me. Yes, girls and boys. As you can see, I come from the doctor. And I cook my dinner. Look at brown stew and cut chicken with some rice, brown rice and brown stew and cut chicken. So I just done eat. So I got a football match up at Excelsior. Excelsior where my son go, high school, I got one match up there. My friend's son a play, so I go watch him play. I go up at Excelsior High School. Them have match. So I go take in the match. Football match. Yeah. And my son and my friend's son a player. So I go take in. Film side at the yellow side. So you can, as you can see, me have on see what I have on, and I have on my yellow to cheer for my friend son. I have on my yellow skirt. Full up the live here for me now. I want to say something to you now. Honest truth. Full up the live here for me. Let me lock the window, because the window make the sun. The sun make the window. Although me lock here, the sun, yeah man, sun come out back. Oh, over here, so. Black out the sun. Get a shine. Yeah, full up the live for me. Before I go to the doctor today, well, you can see I get my medication. So I'm up. And my sugar level is okay. You know, they test my sugar. And I have medication for the sugar. But guys, guess what? They give me a prescription. And Bellevue don't have these things. I don't know if you can see it good. These things. So I'm asking my fans for some help. Who can fill the prescription for me? I can show you again. They want me to get vitamin, iron tablets, and I don't understand that this big word here. The tablets here. The tablets here. I don't know if you can see the first one. I'm forget iron and vitamin. Well, you know, I can't get the iron and vitamin free, but the big one, I can't get it. Because them not have it, I don't know. I don't know how that. I don't know if you don't know. Or some nurse or doctor, they on my life can tell me is what and where I can get it free. You understand? Some nurse and doctor, but they on here can tell me the name of this one. Let us show you again. Let us show you guys. See it here. See they sit there? Oh, come out more. See them there? This is what I'm supposed to get. This is my prescription. They don't have it. You understand? I have the Bellevue medication. I get that free. And I get the injection free. But those who are on it, I don't have no money to buy it. Because Dwayne sent $50 yesterday for me to go to the doctor and buy food. And pay my taxi fare. And have a drink. You understand? So I buy cranberry juice. Because the doctor said I can't drink no more Pepsi. I have to buy orange juice or cranberry juice or fruit juice. Because the sugar a little bit up. And water. No more Pepsi. It's not that I want to beg. You tell me if you stop beg. It's not that I want to beg. But I'm just asking enough guys who can help. And who don't want to help, shut on a big stinking mouth. You understand? Me say so. Me say so right there, so. Because some of you go like say nothing go happen to you in your life. You is so perfect. You understand? Uno is so perfect. I wonder only once when me know perfect and is God. And Uno is so perfect. Well guys, I'm up and thanks for Uno. Thanks for Uno prayer. Prayer really helped. Thanks guys. Thanks a million. Thank you a million guys for Uno prayer. Uno mean a lot to me. Uno mean a lot. Uno are my friend. You understand? On Facebook. When I on Instagram people done me, class me, cuss me pitney. Well, my son working now at Excelsior. Him just come from Upper UE, pick up him friend. You understand? He's working at Excelsior. Thanks be to God. And he's going back to the college. I just have to pay a little more fee. And I know God going to help me for him to get into that college fully. Because we get some help. Thanks be to God. Thanks be to God. God answer prayer. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. And most of all, I want to thank Dwayne. The reason why I want to thank Dwayne. Last week, Monday, him sent $100. The weekend, him sent $100. And Saturday gone, him sent $100. And yesterday, he sent $50.